Hello, a warm welcome from SGT University. I am Dr. Ashok Yadav, Faculty of Agriculture Sciences, learning about the production technology of tomato. Solanum lycopersicum is originated in Peru of South America. It is important commercial vegetable crop of the India. It is the second most important crop of the world after potato. Fruits are eaten raw or in cooked form. In rich sources of vitamin A, C, potassium and minerals. It is used in the soap, juice and ketchup powder. The major tomato producing states are Bihar, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. In Punjab state, Amritsar, Ropar, Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur are tomato are growing districts. It can be grown in the varied type of the soil ranging from sandy loam to clay, black soil and red soil having proper drainage. It gives best result when grown under well-drained sandy soil with high organic content. For good growth pH of the soil should be 7 to 8.5. It can tolerate moderate acidic and saline soil. Avoid cultivation in high acidic soil. For early crops, light soil is beneficial when for heavy soil, clay, loam and shed loam soils are useful. For tomato plantation, it required well pulverized and alluvial soils. To bring soil for the fine tilth, plow land for 5 to 6 times, then planking is done to make soil level. At the time of last plowing, add well decomposed cow dung and carbofuran at the rate of 5 kg or neem cake at the rate of 8 kg per acre should be applied. Transplantation of the tomato is done on raised bed. For that preparation, raised bed of the 18 to 90 cm width to destroy harmful soil-borne pathogens. 10 to 15 days after the transplanting, spraying 90:90:90 along with the micronutrient at the rate of 2.5 to 3 gram per liter of the butter. Seedling is ready for transplanting 25 to 30 days after the sowing with 3 to 4 leaves. Butter seedlings beds 24 hours before transplanting so that seedlings can be easily uprooted and turgid at transplanting times. Variety of tomato is one is the Punjab Lata, ready for the first picking in 125 days from transplanting. Gives average yield of 225 quintal per acre. The variety is suitable for the processing. Number 2 is the Punjab Chhuara. Fruits are seedless, pear-shaped, red and firm with the thick ball or skin. Marketable quality remains for the 7 days after harvesting and thus suitable for the long distance transportation and processing. It gives average yield of 325 quintal per acre. Punjab Tropic. Plant's height is about 100 cm, ready to harvest in 141 days. Fruits are of the large size and round shape. They born in the cluster gives average yield of 90 to 95 quintal per acre. Punjab Upma, suitable for the cultivation in the rainy season. Fruits are oval shaped, medium size and of firm, deep and red color. Gives average yield of 220 quintal per acre. Punjab NR7, dwarf variety having medium size juicy fruit. It is highly resistant to the fusarium wilt and root knot nematodes. Gives average yield of 175 to 180 quintal per acre. Punjab Red Cherry, developed by the Punjab Agriculture University. These cherry tomato are used in the salad. Punjab Varkha Bihar 2, ready to harvest in 100 days after the transplanting. It is resistant to the leaf curl virus, gives average yield of 215 quintal per acre. Punjab Swarna, released in 2018. It has dark green color foliage. It has oval shaped fruit, which is orange in color and medium in size. Swarn Vaibhav hybrids recommended for the cultivation in the Punjab, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. It is sown September to October. Fruits keeping quality is good, so suitable for the long distance. Time of sowing. For northern state, tomato cultivation for the spring season is done in late November and transplanting in second fortnight of the January. For the autumn crops, sowing is done in the July-August and transplanted in the August to September. In hilly areas, sowing is done in March-April and transplantation is done in the April-May. Spacing, depending upon the variety used and its growth habit, use spacing of 60 into 30 centimeter or 75 into 60 centimeter or 75 into 75 centimeter. In Punjab, for the dwarf variety, use spacing of 75 into 30 centimeter, and for the rainy season, use spacing of 120 to 150 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Sowing depth. In nursery, sows seeds at the depth of the 4 centimeter and then covered with the soil. Beading in tomato. Do frequent weeding, hoeing and earthing up to keep the field bead free till 45 days. If the bead left uncontrolled, then it will be reduces crop yield up to 70 to 90%. 2 to 3 days of after transplanting, take spray of flucloraline and vaseline at the rate of 100 ml per 200 liter of water as pre-emergence weedicide. Irrigation. In tomato in winter, apply irrigation with the interval of 6 to 7 days, and summer month apply with the interval of 10 to 15 days depending upon the soil moisture. Period of the drought followed by heavy watering leads to cracking of the fruits. Flowering stage is critical for irrigation. Water stress during this stage can lead to the flower drop and adversely affecting fruiting and productivity. Insect pest and disease in tomato. Leaf miner. Maggot of the leaf miner feed on the leaf and make serpentine mines into the leaf. It affects the photosynthesis and fruit formation. At initial stage, take spray of the neem seeds kernel extract at the rate of 5%, 50 gram per liter of the water. To control the leaf miner, spray with the dimethoate 30 EC at the rate of 250 ml. Whitefly. The nymph and adult of the whitefly suck the cell shape from the leaves and weaken the plants. The secret honey dew on which black sooty molds develop on the leaves. To control spread of the whiteflies, uproot or destroy affected plants. In case of the severe infection, take spray of the acetamiprid 20 sp at the rate of 80 gram per 200 liter of water or triazofos at the rate of 250 ml per 200 ml of water. Thrips, commonly observed pest mostly observed in the dry weather. They suck shape from the foliage and result in curling of the leaf. Leaf become cup-shaped or curved upward. Also, to reduce the incidence of this disease, spray Verticillium lecanei at the rate of 5 gram per liter water. Gram pot borer or Heliothes armigera. It is a major pest of the tomato. Crops lost due to the Helicobacter is about 20 to 37% if not controlled at the proper stage. It feeds on the leaves, also on the flower and fruits. On fruit, they make circular holes and feed on the flesh. If pest population is high, spray spinosad at the rate of 80 ml plus sticker at the rate of 1400 ml per 200 liter of water. Disease and their control. Fruit rot, major disease of the tomato observed due to having checking weather. Water soaked lesions are appeared on the fruits. Afterward, they turn into the black or brown color and causing rotting of the fruits. To control the take spray of the mancozeb at the rate of 400 gram or copper oxychloride at the rate of 300 gram or chlorothalonil at the rate of 250 gram per 200 liter of water. Anthracnose, warm temperature, high moisture, high ideal condition of the spread of the disease. It is characterized by the black spots that are formed on the infected parts. To control this disease, spraying propiconazole or hexaconazole at the rate of 200 ml per 200 liter of water absolutely water should be done. Early blight. Common and major disease of tomato. Initial small brown isolated spots are observed on the leaf. Later spots are seen on the stem and also on the fruits. Severe condition defoliation occurred if the infestation of the early blight is observed. Take spray of mancozeb at the rate of 400 gram or tabuconazole at the rate 200 ml per 200 liter of water. Built-in damping of most of the poorly drained soil causes damping of the disease. It is soil-borne disease. Water soaking and thribbling of the stem occurs. Seedling killed before the emergence. If in the spray in the nursery, the entire lot of the seedlings may get destroyed. To control wilt, drench nearby soil with copper oxychloride 250 gram or carbendazim at the rate 400 gram per 200 liter of water. Powdery mildew. Patch white powdery growth appear on the lower side of the leaves. It commonly occurs on the older leaves just before or at fruit set. To control this disease, spraying with hexaconazole along with the sticker at the rate 1 ml per liter of water should be done. So today we covered production technology of tomato. Next time we meet you, we will be exploring about the production technology of brinjal. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time. Thank you.